What do an ice-cold beer and a soothing cup of hot tea have in common? That's right, water. We can't do without it. Did you know that the water that you're drinking today is the same water that dinosaurs drank? Yeah, our incredible planet naturally recycles water and moves it around, but it still remains the same water. This is the water cycle, and it's been going for 4.5 billion years. Isn't that amazing? Heat and wind evaporate water, taking it up into the atmosphere. On average, 1.2 meters of water over all the ocean's surface evaporates each year, to be replaced by inflows from rivers and rains. Our atmosphere sucks up as much humidity as it needs to keep the Earth cool. Sometimes even ice evaporates. Now, this doesn't mean that ice cubes are going to shoot up into the sky, but ice is turned into air straight away, and it evaporates. Once all this water is up there in the atmosphere, it travels the world in the form of clouds. Changes in temperature and air pressure then turn the clouds into rainwater and snow. Yep, good old condensation. Some places see lots of rain, floods even. Others see no rain at all. It's Mother Earth's natural way of keeping healthy, if you like. She's taking care of herself. Too much heat or drought in one part of the world could mean much more rain in others. That's Mother Earth's way of keeping it cool. The water that falls back to Earth in the form of rain or snow finds its way back into the sea through rivers, lakes and streams, or back into the Earth by seeping through the ground into our water table. This fresh water in our water table is very precious. It's called groundwater. It's naturally purified and a precious resource. This is why we have to take good care of it, by making sure that our freshwater resources are not contaminated or over-extracted. We do have man-made ways of getting fresh water through desalination plants or water purification systems like the New Water project here in Malta, which supplies our agricultural sector with the water that it needs to grow crops. Through these man-made ways of creating fresh water, we are relieving stress from our natural water resources so that fantastic Mother Earth can do her thing and stay healthy. By learning about water, where it comes from, how it's used, and where it goes to, we're better equipped to make little changes together, to make a bigger difference to each other. Water. Be the change.
This project is part financed by the European Union under the Cohesion Fund, European Structural and Investment Funds 2014-2020.